Yung bodyguard, yung girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I got it for 400 plus pesos lang. 300 pesos each lang. Hi guys, I'm panicking. Nagpapanik ako, oh my gosh. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall kasi merong book fair ang National Bookstore. Grabe ang mumura ng books. I'm so excited to shop. National Bookstore. Ayan na, look! Oh my gosh! Ang budget ko ngayon, maluwag-luwag. Nag-budget talaga ako para dito sa book fair na to kasi I really wanna go bookshop. Kailangan ko ng cart.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave.
Oh, I think you're familiar. I think you did shopping reviews, right?
Yes!
Oh, okay. Bye!
Ba't parang wala kang nakukuha?
Hindi tayo papadala sa mga cute covers. Ay, ito, for aunties and
Bakit mukha naman siyang teleserye?
So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So if I said or did something that hurt you, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. You know I never meant to. We haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easy said than done.
Yan you guys, mas madami pa siyang nakuha kaysa sa akin mga cookbook niya. So yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga nag-comment sa last video. So shoutout kay Arbs Ventures, Jetmark, Benedict, Julian, Adri, Neil, Nicole, Vinch, Glenn, Bea, Chris, and lastly kay Da. So yan, kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng libro. So yan, kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Pinapanood ko na booktuber na si Hailey Pham. Kakabasa niya lang na to. Itong The Bodyguard. Ang weird nga daw ng dynamic dito kasi yung bodyguard, yung girl. So, yeah. Nakatago. Nakatago siya doon. Ginawa siya doon.
I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. Keep on trying up.
Namimili na po kami ng mga kukunin namin. Kailan ka ba magbe-bake ng pie?
Kapag sleep time.
Namimili na ako kung ano yung mga kukunin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lang! Wait lang, kukuha tayo ng isa para umabot ng 10. We're on a mission to find one more book. Kasi para naman 10 na. Bawat daan ko, may nadadagdag na bago. Sobrang dami pa ng to be read pile ko sa bahay, pero 2,800 pesos for 10 books na yun. We're now at Mary Grace. Tapos na kami mag-shopping for books. And we're gonna try yung hot chocolate. I'm so excited! Sikat sa TikTok. TikTok made me buy it again. Taste test. Ang sarap. Wala something. Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day. I'm gonna show you everything that I got from the National Bookstore Book Fair. Super dami kong nabiling books. Like legit, super dami. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. First is The Apartment by Teddy Wayne. The Woods Are Always Watching. Family of Liars by E. Lockhart. Ayan. I've been meaning to read the first book, yung We Were Liars. And kakabili ko lang, actually, padating na siya. I'm happy that I got the second book, I think. This one is $299, $199, and $199. Next is Mr. Penumbra's 24-hour bookstore. This is 199 pesos. I like the cover. Super nice ng cover niya. This is paperback pala. For aunties and a wedding, I've been seeing this on Book Talk a lot and naintriga lang ako, so I bought it for $299. Fear Street, $199 only. Ang kapal nito kasi it's 2 books in one. The Great Gatsby, $299. Taylor Swift's favorite book. The Bodyguard, I got for $399 naman. I saw Hailey Pham read this, so The Cousins for $299 only. And lastly, this is my score of the day. I got The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. Sikat na sikat to sa Book Talk and sa BookTube community. I got it for 400 plus pesos lang. I bought a bunch of children's books. Ayan, para sa mga pamangkin ko. Liam also bought books, pero ang binili ni Liam na books, yung mga cookbook kasi alam niyo naman, chef siya. Hindi pa kontento ang kuya nyo. Bumili pa siya ng madaming books. Ordered a bunch of books from TikTok. Lagi ako nanonood ng mga TikTok live ng mga booksellers. First, I got this, The Graveyard Riddle. It's just a middle grade book from the best-selling author of The Goldfish Boy. Meron akong ganong book yung The Goldfish Boy. So, yeah, I'm so excited to read this one as well. Next package. This package naman is from the old library. Actually, kulang nga. Dito ko in-order yung We Were Liars na hardbound. I bought Eleanor and Park by Rainbow Rowell. If matagal na kayo nagbabasa, you would know this book. Next is Fangirl, also by Rainbow Rowell. I remember back then, super sikat na sikat tong mga books na to. So I got them for parang 300 pesos each lang. And lastly, I bought Zenith. Sasha Alsberg is booktuber back then, as in pinapanood ko siya dati. Ngayon, naging author na siya. So that's basically everything that I got from National Bookstore and syempre sa mga online bookstores din. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para hindi kayo makamiss ng video ni Kuya Sed. And yun na nga, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember that it is okay to be a weirdo. Bye!